Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have almost done with the texturing part for this particular interior over here. So let's continue that. So very first of all, what we'll be doing over here is like, we'll go over here and we have few things which are left out to be textured over here. So let's just select this curtain part. Let's go into the material, press M. Now let's take V-Ray material over here, go into the diffuse bitmap and we'll go into this. I have generated a texture for that. So I'll just assign a texture for this. UVW map, set it as a box, and also I'll go into the refract over here and I'll make it more of a transparent over here for this curtain. So you can just rename it. Okay. Looks much better. Select this. It's a kind of a stool, a sitting stool. So let's take a V-Ray material, assign a texture. So I'll just assign a kind of a leather. So I'll just assign a leather texture and let's give a UVW map, convert to editable poly. Select few of these elements over here. So I'll just select this whole thing over here. So let's go into material again. Take a V-Ray material, diffuse bitmap, and I'll assign again a metal texture over here. Give a UVW map. Alright, looks better now. So I want to show that it's rusted over here. I'll again take a V-Ray material. I'll just give a color to it. So for this, go into the material, alright, I'll just assign this color to it. So save your file. I'll press C and I'll get back to the camera view over here. So how you can set the lights over here. So I'll again go into the camera view. This is this looks perfect for now, this camera angle. So we can also use photometric lights, and if you want to use our normal lights, that's your V-Ray sun, V-Ray lights, will be utilizing that also. Alright. Okay, save your file. So very first of all, let's go into this and let's go into the side view. AEC extended, go into the lights. Let's take a V-Ray light. Let's take a V-Ray sun. Okay. So I can just select this light and I'll slightly shuffle it in this way, so light can pass through the window over here. Okay, so as you can see, now after that I can go into this. I can just select the light again and I can just give a color to the light. And we have a photon emit radius. Let's increase that. And intensity 0.3 for now. After that, I'll go into this view over here and I'll take one V-Ray light. I'll just take a V-Ray light from the front view and I'll slightly put it over here. From here. So we'll go into this and we'll set it as a temperature over here. Intensity multiplier, I'll set it as 2 over here and double sided, invisible, no decay. So definitely we are going to work with more lights. So let's just render and see how it looks like. Okay, so too much of light. So let's go into rendering, render setup. We'll be doing some few settings for now. So let's go into V-Ray. We'll go into this. Global switches. We'll make it as adaptive subdivision. Sampler. Filter, we'll keep it as Catmull room. Let's go down. We're not increasing anything over here for now. Environment, GI environment, we'll change it afterwards. Color mapping, I'll set it to exponential. GI, I'll activate the GI option, that's you enable GI over here. Irridance map, light cache, set it as medium for now, and let's render and see how it looks like. So too much of light, so definitely we'll be reducing the lights over here. We'll be doing that. Let's see how it looks like. But so definitely we lot of things to work over here. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.